Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you tips for setting up Redmi 14R for an elderly person. Go to settings and first go to display and brightness, and then you can go to font settings, select Mi Sans font, and then you can adjust the size and the boldness of the font. You can make it bolder or thinner. I'm gonna set it to bold, and the size I'm gonna set it to extra large. Then go back, and the next thing you can do is you can go to accessibility, which is in additional settings. So go to additional settings, then accessibility, and then you can, for example, go to vision and go to display size and set it to large, so the elements on the screen will be larger as well. Then click on OK, and now it's approved. You can also, for example, enable high contrast text, so you can see that it will be all more visible. And you can go to a magnification, and if you enable it, then tap on got it. Whenever you tap on this shortcut, it will enable magnification. You can zoom in by pinching or zoom out, and use two fingers to move through the magnification like that. To disable it, click on the shortcut again. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.